Hello, I'm Mike. In this short video, I shall share a simple VBA procedure to extend the column width automatically by clicking a cell. With the feature, we may improve our Excel users' user experience. In the screen, I have a simple worksheet form to request the user to fill in their estimated sales value for identified new opportunities in 2022 and the total time phase. In the form, the column's width size is the same for all columns. User has a completed view about the whole form in a proper row size in their screen. But for some columns, like the product-related description, customer user case descriptions, and the comments description, the width size might be too small for user to view contents and give their inputs. To improve the user experience, we have created a simple VBA in worksheet. If user click any cell in one column, then the column width size is extended automatically. The user may feel easy to read or give the long description in the cell. When user move away their mouse and click any place outside of the column range, the column size will be recovered back as before. If user wanted to change the column size for their own standard view or extended view, they may just expand the plus sign on the left top corner and modify the value in A2 and B2. For example, place 30 instead of the 20 in A2 and 80 instead of 60 in B2. Then you will see the different size view of the selected column. Now let's look at the VBA procedure which makes this feature. Open the VBE window. In the VBA Project Explorer view, choose the Worksheet Opportunity Sales Estimation. On the right side, you should see the VBA code lines in Code View window. On the top drop-down list box, you will find that default object is Worksheet. The procedure is a selection change. The procedure is simple with just 4 code lines. The first line is a stop real-time screen updating of Excel, and the last line is to turn on the screen updating again. These two actions are just to give time space for us in between to assign values in terms of the different scenario. First, we have assigned the column width value from activated worksheet cell A2 to the column range from D to N. This size value is for the standard size view of the all columns. Secondly, if any cell of the range was selected, we shall assign the size value from the cell B2 to the range. This size value from B2 is for the extended size view of all columns. I have attached my website URL link in the video description in below. From there, you may find and copy the codes. Thanks for your watching. If you like to watch more videos from the channel, please press the subscribe button in below. See you in next video.